How to fix WhatsApp banned my number solution. So if you want to find the solution to your banned number, like if you are trying to log into your account and if it says your number has been banned or your account has been banned, then what you can do is you can simply go for your browser. You can open up your Chrome browser or anything because you don't have any option on your application, right? Open up a browser, go for the search and search for WhatsApp support or WhatsApp help or contact WhatsApp, like that. You can choose any one of that. And here you will have www.whatsapp.com and you will have contact WhatsApp. Tap on that and scroll down, and here you need to enter the code number or country code and then enter your phone number, enter your email address, and again confirm your email address and choose the option on which you are using your WhatsApp, like Android, iPhone, web or desktop or others. And here under the message you need to write that I think my account has been banned because while logging into my account it says that my number has been banned or I can't use that number on my device, so please help me with that, thank you. And after entering all of that information, you need to simply tap on the next step, which is on the bottom of your screen, and then it will take you to the other page where you will have an option to send a question. And once you send your question, now WhatsApp will help you after that. So that's how you can contact WhatsApp, or that's how you can unban your WhatsApp account. That's the only way. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.